Alright, everybody, welcome back. We're going to digress just a little bit because we need to talk about strings. And we've been using strings for quite some time. And now we need to go over the variable string. Alright, so this is where we left off in the last program. And now I'm going to make a new variable called string. And we're going to name it str. Alright, you can call yours whatever you'd like. And let's talk about this. Alright, so this is not a keyword, and it also begins with a capital letter. So far, all our variables were the primitive types. Until now, we're talking about this string. And let's talk about this. Let's assign this the value, this is a string. Okay. And what did we do? We assigned this just a string literal. Now, instead of passing just a string literal through here, we can actually print out the string. Now, let's go ahead and run this. Does this evaluate the true? Yes, it does. It's this is a string, and it terminates. This is a little confusing. I'll just go ahead and do this. Preferably, you're watching these videos in order. But yes, this is a string. It'll print this out instead of printing out just a string literal. So far we only passed in string literal. So yes, we can actually store strings into these variables. So that's the basics of a string. And why would we want to do this? Well, we need to actually use this string variable for the video that I'm about to build up. So next we need to cover just a tad more on strings. Thank you for watching. And then we can pick back up with our if statements in the next couple videos.